Unlike an earthquake that strikes in seconds, we often see extreme weather coming. Cyclones and floods can give us hours, even days of warning. So why do they still cause over $150 billion in damage and kill tens of thousands globally each year? Because the rules of weather are being rewritten. Climate change is creating a new normal where historical experience is no longer a reliable guide. Consider Australia. In 2011, tropical cyclone Yasi, a monstrous Category 5 storm with 285 km/h winds, slammed into Queensland. Incredibly, only one person died. It was a remarkable success story. Why? Because Australia had learned from a past disaster, Cyclone Tracy in 1974. They implemented incredibly strong building codes and issued a 5-day warning, allowing over 30,000 people to evacuate. Preparedness based on history saved thousands of lives. But then came 2022. The East Coast floods weren't just a single event, they were a compound catastrophe. A rare triple La Niña combined with atmospheric rivers stalled over the same region for weeks. Some places received a year's worth of rain in just 6 weeks. In the town of Lismore, the flood didn't just break the 1954 record, it shattered it by 2 full meters, overwhelming every levee and worst-case plan. 23 people died. This was an event completely beyond historical precedent. Yasi taught us the value of preparing for the worst storms of the past. The 2022 floods taught us that the past is no longer enough. We're now forced to design our world not for the disasters we've seen, but for the unprecedented ones we know are coming.